What if I told you the single biggest thing holding most people back from building wealth isn't their income or their debt or even their investment strategy? It's just one mindset shift. And trust me, probably is not what you think. Welcome back to this channel. I am Camilo Tovar. And in here, we explore how understanding your mind is the key to unlock your financial potential. Today, we are covering the number one mindset shift essential for building lasting wealth. Forget get rich quick schemes. By the end of this video, you will understand the fundamental psychological shift and learn how to cultivate it to transform your financial future. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. Many of us operate from a place of scarcity. We focus on what we don't have, and we say things like, I don't earn enough, or I will never get out of debt, or investment is too risky. This scarcity mindset keep us playing defense against our money, always afraid to lose, hesitant to invest, and always feeling that there is never enough. Another trap is chasing rich instead of wealth. We see the fancy cars and the big houses and this visible sign of a spending, and we believe that's the final goal. But true wealth isn't about how much you spend, it's about what you keep, what you build, and all the whole assets that you have that work for you even when you are not. Have you ever caught yourself thinking more about looking rich instead of being financially secure? If that resonates with you, drop a yes in the comments. So, what's the number one shift? It's moving from chasing more to defining enough. The most powerful financial mindset is understanding and internalizing what enough means to you. And why is this so crucial? Because without the definition of enough, the goalposts always move. So you get a raise, you spend more. You reach your saving goals, and you immediately are thinking in the next bigger thing. It is called the lifestyle creep, and is fueled by comparison and lack of internal satisfaction. It's like you are in a hedonic treadmill, always running, but never arriving. Defining enough isn't about deprivation. It's about clarity. It's understanding how much money will you need to live a life aligned with your values to feel secure, to have independence and freedom. As Morgan Housel, author of The Psychology of Money, suggests, is the highest dividend money pays. When you know you're enough, you can make conscious decisions. You can start saving aggressively without feeling deprived because you know why you are saving. You're going to start investing strategically, thinking in the long term project and in the long term growth instead of the short term status symbols. That's when you gain control. Okay, so how do we actually do this? It takes conscious effort on following these next five steps. Step one, define your values and ideals. What truly matters to you beyond the material possessions? Is it security? Is it family time? Is it experiences? What does your ideal day look like? Think about how much money supports that life that you want to, not the life you see on Instagram. Step two, calculate your enough number. This is an exact science, but estimate what is your independence financial number. So calculate everything according with your bonds, stocks, real estate, whatever are your assets, that will be your financial number that you will live off the return. That target will allow you to make the enough less abstract. Step three, practice gratitude. Actively appreciate what you do have right now. Keep a gratitude journal if you want, and always celebrate those small wins. This gratitude counteracts against the scarcity mindset and that constant desire for more. Step four, limit comparison triggers. Unfollow any social media that doesn't go with your goals and your financial statements. And also that social media that makes you feel inadequate. Be aware of the advertisements you have. You can block them. Remember, often comparison is the thief of joy and also your savings. Step 5. Focus on the gap. As Morgan Housel suggests, focus on the gap between your ego and your income. Remember, wealth is about spending less of what you earn, and defining enough will help you extend that gap naturally. Oof, this is a deep one. I'm telling you. Let me know in the comments what will be the first step you can take this week to start defining your enough. So, in conclusion, the number one mindset shift isn't about complex strategies. It's about the profound internal shift to defining enough based on your own values and goals. And by defining what truly matters to you, defining and calculating your number, practicing gratitude, limiting comparison, and focusing on the gap, you can move from chasing more to finally building intentional and sustainable wealth and freedom. If all this information resonates with you and you are ready to ditch that scarcity mindset, give this video a thumbs up. It will let me know you want more content like this. And subscribe if you want more deep dives into the psychology of wealth. Next up, we are tackling the fear that stops most people of growing their money, investment anxiety, and the 5 steps to conquer it. So, thank you for watching, and I see you on the path unconscious wealth.